Oh, hi guys. I just visited a dog in a house and I just visiting a school. What's now a school bus? A school bus. And my puppy is gonna build and I'll take the picture. We're gonna build the picture. I guess it's here. This is here. This is Hawa. And actually, I just know how to spell mama. Mama. Actually, oh my gosh. I just spelled nothing. Five sister, okay. Actually, know the picture. Actually, I just put out the name because I just know name Papa at the inside. I just gonna build her. That's my head. Oh, guys, you comment the Ahmal and actually it's my ninja. Comment the Spy Ninja and will you see Spy Ninja? You see Spy Ninja and you pick the Soko one. That is a Spy Ninja. Simply because Rio, Stormy, Fee, Charles, and Shinobi. That was 5 I just know, but let's comment. I just prepared like a soup. This is my nose. What am I doing? And guys, what do you comment? What am I doing? Oh, actually, I forgot the halaman, the flowers. Flower. Oh no, the food. Where's that?